I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper with Are You Ready Radio and the Zombie Outpost. And I'm here to demonstrate some of the useful things, gear that comes in our Zombie Outpost emergency personal fire kit, or fire survival kit. One of which being the permanent match, a fire striker. And what's nice about these is no matter how cold the weather is, they'll always start your fire with a spark. Kit comes with compressed natural fiber fire disc, a petroleum soaked cotton ball, and some jute twine, and some magnesium. What I want to start with is probably a little demonstration on our little piece of natural fiber fire disc. I'm going to show you first how to prep that along with the permanent match. What's great about this is you fill the permanent match with fluid, keep it full, and this fiber disc, you pull some of this apart, you fray it, and you have a great set of tinder to get going with just a spark. Knife, cut some of that off on this piece of wood here. There we go. Keep that dry. Take our permanent match. I'm going to demonstrate it up on this log here. There we go. Look at that, light right up. And then take that, drop it in your little nest, blow on it, simple fire, ready to go in a matter of seconds. There's also this jute twine, which works the same way. Fray some of that, a couple sparks. We also have magnesium, which if you have a bunch of wet material, I'll show you how easy this goes up. And actually making a little pocket with some of our natural fiber fire disc right here. Even if you have some wet kindling or tinder, magnesium burns super hot. Just tuck some of that in there. Only use what you need. Of course, when your ferro rod is brand new, use the back of your knife to scrape some of that coating off. And you also have your backup too. Again, we can use the permanent match if we want a flame. And there you have a really hot fire. Look at that magnesium go. There you go. See how that's burning the wet on the log? That'll get a nice pile of tinder going for quite a while. Burn nice and hot again. Pick yourself up one of these. It's very handy, especially when it's really cold and you need to get a fire going quick. Stop in and grab yourself one. Check out the link on our website for more videos and other information about our products and our location, zombieoutpoststore.com. Again, I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper. Thanks for tuning in.